If you're having the same issue as I am with your unit not working, try this. I started examining the bottom, and you can see this little button here. This is actually supposed to protrude outward, but you can see it broke. This is a safety mechanism in case the unit falls over. It'll shut it off automatically. So all you really need to do is find something that fits in here and then just tape it down. However, if it does fall over, it will not turn off. So definitely be aware of that. Maybe put on a timer instead. Anyways, I hope this video helped.